finding a travel backpack that hits that sweet spot of not being too big so your back doesn't ache and also doesn't cost an arm and a leg is not an easy task to do. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a backpack that does just exactly that. And if you're interested, stay tuned. Now this is the Tolaccea Mlife 06 30-liter bag. And the reason I end up showing you so many Tolaccea bags is because they meet a couple of sweet spots for me. One, the variation in bags. I think that they have bags to meet everyone's needs. Two, they're made out of top quality material, and you can't underestimate that because you never want a backpack falling apart on you when you're out on the road. Three, value. I don't know how they do it, but they make these amazing bags at such reasonable prices. I mean, that's the thing that keeps drawing me back to this particular brand. Now, why do I like a 30-liter bag? I like a 30-liter bag because it actually meets that sweet spot for me where I can hold everything that I need for a 2+ week trip, plus it doesn't weigh a ton on my back. And I think that that's a really important sweet spot to meet. So let's go over the bag's measurements and weights, and then we'll get into the inside of the bag. Now the Tolaccea Mlife 06 comes in as 19 by 12 by 8, and it weighs 2.5 pounds. So with those measurements, if you don't overpack the top of the bag, you could use it as a personal item bag. But I am not going to tell you to use it as a personal item bag because it does come in as 19 inches on top. And because of the back paneling, you'll see when I get there, it is a little rigid. But because of the reasonably small dimensions of the bag, it fits easily even on a woman's frame, which I have to point out because I know a lot of my viewers are women. So now let's get on to the unique construction of this bag. The bag's soft because of 400 denier polyester. Now you'll notice that unlike most other bags, it does not have side compression, it has front compression. And that's because it has front pockets. And the first thing I want to point out to you is that you have no problem gaining access to the inside of the bag because the compression is all here in the front. And I like that because it makes for a convenient opening of the bag if you have to open it. I also like the little details that Tolaccea puts into their bags because all of their strapping has these additional bands here so that you don't have big flappy straps all over the place, and that drives me crazy. And these bags definitely all have that. Now, let's get into the pockets on the front of the bag. Here at the bottom of the bag, you have this nice little compartment here where you can put your passport or other quick grab items that you want to get into. Now, in the front of the bag, and you'll understand now why they put the compression here in the front, you have another very deep pocket. It's really deep, as you can see here. And so they were concerned that if you overpack this front pocket, that you could actually bulge and have issues getting it into the overhead bins. Because remember, fundamentally, this bag is considered carry-on and not a personal item size bag. Now, all the zippers on the bag are YKK zippers, so you do not have to worry about anything going wrong with your zippers. And all the YKK zippers come with toggles. And the YKK zippers are lockable, and that's a huge plus too. Now, it has a handle here in the front, and it has a handle here in the back. So it's easy to grab from either direction. It even has a handle here on the side. And I like being able to just grab a bag when it's on the floor easily without thinking about it. And this bag definitely provides for that. It also has on the outside 4 different places for you to add carabiners. And that's a really nice feature too. And the bag also comes with 2 water bottle compartments, which will hold a very large water bottle, like this, which is my thermos. Now here in the back of the bag, you have 2 really well padded shoulder straps for your comfort when you're wearing it. The shoulder straps come with these reflective materials, and you can slip sunglasses in here or anything else you want to attach to these points. It comes with a sternum strap that stretches, so if you bend over, you don't have anything pressing against your chest and making you uncomfortable. And the sternum straps are totally adjustable. And in the back here, you have these 2 nice padded areas that give you breathability, but yet comfort. It also has a trolley strap right here, and this bag loads this way. Also in the back of the bag, I want to point out to you, it has another nice secret compartment here. Also in the back of the bag is your admin center. Now, it's made out of this really nice light color material here, and it has an awful lot of functionality. It has banding here across to keep your cords neatly kept, and that way you don't have to necessarily take a tech bag along with you. Not to have to take an additional bag is always a plus. It also has a pocket here and a pocket here, and that's this side of the bag. Now, the computer compartment is a two-part compartment. You have a compartment here for an e-reader or an iPad, and you have a felted compartment here for your computer, and will hold up to a 15-inch computer. Now, if you're not a computer person, you can actually use these spaces to pack out pants and things like that. But if you are a computer person, this bag provides for it. So now let's get on to the inside of the bag. And the first thing I want to point out to you is that you have no problem gaining access to the inside of the bag because the compression is all here in the front. And I like that because it makes for a convenient opening of the bag if you have to open it. Now, there are features that I really like about the Mlife 06 that is similar to a previous bag that I've shown you by Tolaccea. And one of them is that the bag opens like 2/3 of the way, so you can see everything in the bag without everything falling out of the bag. Another thing that I like that I've only actually seen in a few other bags, it has an internal flat panel that will let the bag stand up fully packed, but when you go to put it away, you can actually fold it flat, and then this bag is easy to put away. And you can see clearly here the panel that folds down so that you can have a flat bottom and have a stable bag. It also has some organization on the inside of the bag. You have a nice big compartment here and another nice big webbed compartment up here. So if you're packing this bag out and you only want to use one packing cube, you can use these two pockets as additional packing cubes. And I really like that because it makes for fewer packing cubes inside of this backpack. The bag provides for those kind of items like your underwear and socks. And inside the bag, underneath the tag, you'll find where you put your air tag. So I am going to be showing you a full pack out of this bag for 2 weeks. And I'm even going to be making it a winter pack out so that you can see how much you can get into this bag. Now, I'm going to be using a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method for this bag because I find that that usually is pretty good for the winter. So let's see what I get in here. So I have these 5 tops, which will mix and match with these 4 sweaters, 3 pairs of pants. My 2 is a dress and a cardigan that matches. And my 1 is my Vivia shoes, which are just so easy to pack. And also 7 days worth of underwear, 7 days worth of socks, and my pajama. Now let me show you what else I'm going to be getting into this bag. Tech bag, umbrella, day pack, laundry kit, computer, glasses, 311 bag, plus airline comfort bag, and water bottle. And this is everything, plus that other stuff, that I'm going to be getting into that 30-liter bag. Now, before I go and pack out the Tolaccea Mlife 06, if you have any questions about the bag or how I'm packing it out, please drop it in the comment section down below. You know I answer everybody who has questions. And if you happen to like this video or you enjoyed it in any way, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below because that helps deliver my content to you and also goes to support this very lively travel community. So here's the Tolaccea 06 Mlife fully packed out with a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 pack out. And I have to say, I was pretty impressed that the bag could hold it. And this is what the bag looks like on me. And the bag weighs 20.3 pounds. Now, something I want to point out to you. Now, since this bag is considered a carry-on size bag, I am entitled to a personal item bag. And some people call this 1.5 traveling because they take a smaller bag along with them as a personal item. And that is something that you can do. But for the sake of this video, I wanted to see if I could get everything into the bag. So let's see how I did. Now, I want to point out to you that I have my tech bag hanging off of one of these loops with its own carabiner. Now, I'm entitled to do that because, as I said before, I am allowed to use another personal item bag. But I just wanted to have everything in one place, and it's on this bag. And in each pocket, I have my umbrella and my small water bottle. Now, in this front compartment here, because as I'm going through TSA, I'm going to want to grab it, is my 311 bag here. And here at the bottom of the bag is my phone. Now, I'm going to start here in the back because it's interesting what I did. Because I'm always talking about doing this, and I never show you that I do it. I have a spare pair of glasses that were in here. I packed my dress in this compartment here, and I had the sweater to the dress over here. And inside this compartment here, I have my computer. So you can see you can pack actual things into the computer compartment and even take your computer along with you. In the little secret compartment here on the side, I stuck a couple of pens. You could put anything else you'd like in there. But now, let's see how I packed out the inside of the bag. I want to show you that I have my airline comfort bag right here sitting on top. So when I get into the plane, it's easy to grab. But as I said before, I could wear this bag across my body if I wanted to. That's another option. But I packed it in here just to keep everything all together. I also have in here my laundry kit. And I also have here on the side my day pack. Because even though I could compress this and make it a day pack, I like to have a small day pack sometimes. Now let me show you what else I have in this bag. Now, if you remember, I said that this bag opens really nicely so you can see what you have in here, and you can see that clearly here. Now, my 5, 4, 3 are all in this bag, and that makes for an easy unpack. And my shoes, are in this bag. And in these compartments here, I have my underwear, socks, and in the lower one over here, more underwear and more socks. So in this way, I use all the compartments and maximize the use of this bag. And that's how you can pack out this Tolaccea Mlife 06 30-liter bag for a 2-week trip without any problems. And as you can see, it really did pack out well in here. Now I had other options, as I expressed to you before, like I could be wearing the crossbody bag and things like that. But I wanted to show you that you could get it all in one place and be done with it. Another thing I want to point out to you is that the bag came in as 20 pounds. But I want to point out to you that if you're not taking a computer, you can take 2.5 pounds off your back, no problem. So that's another way to reduce the weight on your back. Now I really like this backpack. I think it hits that sweet spot where it's not too heavy on your back and yet holds everything that you're going to need for a 2-week or more trip. And I also love the level of organization that this bag has. And right now I have an amazing discount code for 30% off this week only. You can find it in the description area down below and in the first pinned comment. But if you're not in the market for a travel backpack, check out these videos over here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.